Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to easily fold up one of these collapsible green screens. This one happens to be blue on one side and green on the other, but the way to fold it up is pretty simple. It's the same basic concept with all of these types of green screens. Essentially, you're going to fold it into 3 circles so that it fits easily within the carrying case.
You'll want to hold the green screen vertically and place your left hand on top and your right hand on the right hand side, and then just push down with your left and pull in with your right to form these 3 circles.
And now, as you can see, nice and easy to fit inside the little carrying case. And just zips right up. It's a little bit harder, I think, to fold the 3.5 by 5 foot ones because it's smaller, so there's not as much to work with. But essentially, all you're doing is you're really creating 3 circles and kind of folding them in on each other to make it flat. The main thing I'll say is follow the guide of the metal frame. Don't try to twist the metal frame in a direction it won't easily go. When you get this folded, it will pretty easily fold. You shouldn't have to force it. You shouldn't have to really twist it so you don't need to break the metal. You don't need to bend the metal. The key thing is you want to try to keep the metal in as best of a condition as possible, because that's going to help maintain the formation of your green screen, and it's going to keep it functioning longer without ripping the fabric. So you want to make sure you don't twist the metal within the green screen, but you can use it to help fold it in on itself. So there you go. Let me know how you like to fold your green screen in the comments.